What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do pot stickers. In Chinese it's called guo tie, so pot sticker dumplings. You want to see my last dumpling video? This time we're going to go for a different filling inside. So what we're going to need is 500 grams of lamb mince there, sesame oil. This is some chicken stock. You don't need a lot, but you need to add a bit of moisture. That is Sichuan pepper, peppercorns, black pepper, Chinese 5-spice, salt, and just some regular soy sauce. And this is going to be lamb and onion minced. This is 2 onions each, white and red onions. So 4 onions total, 2 of each. About 500 grams of lamb mince there. Add in your sesame oil, a bit of chicken stock, Sichuan pepper, black pepper, Chinese 5-spice, salt, soy sauce. Guys, at this point, before the onions go in, we want to just start giving it a bit of a mix. Because we added that chicken stock and there's a bit of moisture, we want the meat to be able to first absorb up as much of that moisture, let it all be able to integrate together, and then we will go in with our onions. As you can see, that chicken stock is getting absorbed into that meat and it's moistening up. I like that word, moist. Going with our 2 white onions and our 2 red onions. Now you just want to mix the onions in with that meat, moving in one direction. One direction. I love that band. Zayn Malik, what a man. So you can just buy these from the store, as I said last time, or you can do flour, salt, and a bit of water. If you want an actual video on how to make these, just let me know. Spin it around, thinning out the edges. There you go. Dumpling wrapper. We're going to wrap our dumplings. Palm of your hand, put some of your filling in. If you're just learning, the less you put, the easier it is to wrap. Step number 1, connect the middle to the other side, press it together. This bottom edge, you want to connect it right next to where you did before and just fold it in. Close it off, same thing, connect it there and just have it folded off. There you go, perfectly wrapped dumpling. Put our pan, you want to make sure that it's hot, very hot. Add some oil to it, any oil will do. As long as it works with high heat, it must cover most of the pan. Here are our beautifully wrapped dumplings, lamb and onion inside, plate of goodness. Put them in around your pan, clockwise. So, they've been on for about a little over a minute. That's what you want. Some colour developed. At this point, you want to add some hot water. Half a cup. Put your lid straight on. When these will be ready is once all that water has evaporated and your dumplings are cooked, ready to go. Hear the sizzling. It's the sound's slowed down, so it's time to remove our lid. Most of the moisture is gone. The dumplings were cooked from putting the water in, the lid on, so they steamed, so the filling was able to cook from steaming, and the bottom of the dumpling will look just like this. We'll put it upside down. Beautiful pot stickers. Here we are, beautiful plate of pot stickers. Look at the beautiful color on them. Check this out. Perfect. Fried dumplings. Here we go. Into the sauce. Sesame oil, soy sauce, garlic, spring onion, a little bit of chili oil. Bob's your uncle. Taste test. Wow. They juiced on me. Lamb and onion dumplings, one of my favorites. They're a lot more juicy from the lamb fat. As you can see, all that popped out, squeezing out. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you want to learn more videos, and if you want to see how to make the dumpling wrappers, let me know in the comments below. See you next time.